all you. I hope you are doing good at your home. Today we are going to learn a basic skill, that is pass in handball. Now I will share some basic information regarding to this ball. There are different type of balls which is used in handball and different size of balls. The first size of this ball is 1 number, and which is used for a clean ball and movements. The circumference of this ball is 50 to 52 centimeter, and the weight of the ball is 290 to 330 grams. And the second size of this ball is 2 number, which is used by women and youth up to 14 years. And the circumference of that ball is 54 to 56 centimeter, and the weight of that ball is 325 to 375 grams. And the third one is size 3 number size, which is used by a senior man, and the circumference of that ball is 58 to 60 centimeter, and the weight of that ball is 425 to 475 grams. Now I will demonstrate you this skill in a continuous method, and after that I will demonstrate explain this skill in by part method. Okay, I will demonstrate continuous method. Now I will explain you this skill in a by-part method. There are four phases in this skill. First is grip, second is stance, third is execution, and fourth is follow. Okay, now this is called a W-shaped grip or a standard grip in handball. Then after the stance, we have to forward our left leg, and the ball goes to our above the head, and it's make a 90-degree angle. Okay, our shoulder is pointed towards the direction where we have to release the ball. Okay, this is execution, and after that we have to follow through. Okay, now again, first is grip. This is called a grip, standard grip, W-shaped grip. Then stance, okay, then execution, and then follow. Okay, now I will explain you how to grip a ball. We have to make a W shape, okay, like this. Then lift the ball. This is the W shaped grip. This is called a standard grip in handball. Okay, this is a grip. Then we have to take a stance. In stance, we have to forward our left leg. If we are, I am righty, I will forward my left leg and lift the ball to over the head, and our shoulder is facing toward the target. Then I have to execute or to release the ball. Okay, then we execute the ball, and then this follow through. This follow through is very important to maintain the body balance, and also to prevent from any injuries. Okay, I will again demonstrating. Firstly, we have to give the ball. This is a W-shaped grip in handball. This is called a standard grip. Then I have to take a stance, or left leg is forward, and the ball is above the head. We have to, while executing the ball, we have to release the ball from above the head. Okay, we have to release the ball from above the head and then follow through. Now at last, I will again remind you the skill how to grip the ball, or how to take an stance, execute and follow through. Okay. This is the grip, which is W-shaped grip or in standard grip in handball. And then the next step is stance. Our left leg is forward and our shoulder is pointed towards the direction where we have to pass the ball. Okay, and the hand is the ball is above the head and the elbow is making a 90-degree angle. Okay, our left hand is for balancing in front of our chest, and then after release execute and then let's follow through. Okay, now I will explain some historical background of handball. It is founded by Carl Seychelles and it is established at 11 July 1946. The origin of this game is from Denmark and some European countries. This is a team handball game, and IHF is the international governing body which is controlled or running the handball in all over the world. The full form of IHF is International Handball Federation, and I is the governing body and which is running in all over the India, Handball Federation of India. It is founded in 1972 and the headquarter of handball is KD Babu. Today we are going to learn a side-arm pass. This is another variation of a pass. Now firstly I will demonstrate to you this skill in continuous method. After that I will explain and demonstrate this skill in a by-part method, in which I will explain the phases, the 4 phases and the position of the body. Okay. Now I will explain this skill in by-part method, in which I will explain the body position here. You have to hold your body position in each and every step. Okay. This is grip. First we have to hold or to grip a ball in W shape. Then in stance position we have to forward our right leg and the ball is in front of our chest. The elbow is bent and slightly the knees are bent. Then in execution we have to release the ball where we have to throw, and we have to swing our hand from elbow. Okay, have to swing, then follow. Now first we have to grip a ball in a W shape. After that we have to forward our right leg. Okay, our knees are bent, slightly bent, and the ball is in front of our left chest. Okay, his elbow is bent, and in the execution we have to release the ball, or this we have to swing our hand. Here we have to release the ball, and then we have to follow that. Stance, execution, grip, stance, execution, grip, stance, execution. Now at last I will call the steps. Now first is grip. Okay, then is stance. In stance, our right leg is forward and the ball is in front of our left chest. Your elbow is bent, and while you are executing the ball, you have to bring your hand, and after that you have to follow through for 1 or 2 steps. Okay. Grip, stance, execution. Now I hope you will enjoy this skill, and you have to do more and more practice at your home to stay in a practice mode. Thank you.